Most students think they're broke because they don't earn enough money. But the math says that is false. The real reason your account is empty isn't your income. The real problem is a silent system draining your money every single day. At the start of the month, money feels fine. You buy a coffee, you order late night food, you tap your phone and move on. Then suddenly, the balance looks wrong. And you're left asking the same question: where did it all go? The problem isn't spending, it's frictionless spending. When payments become invisible, Face ID, one click checkout, auto renewals, your brain stops registering the pain of paying. You don't feel the money leave, so you never react in time. This is why budgets fail. Not because you are lazy, but because tracking money manually is boring. And humans are terrible at being consistent with boring things. This part is where most people miss the real fix. Instead of relying on willpower, we switch to artificial intelligence. And before anyone asks, no, you never share personal or sensitive data. We use AI as a blind auditor. Here is the protocol. Step 1. Download your last 30 days of expenses as a CSV file from your bank. Step 2, and this is critical, delete your name and account numbers. Protect your privacy first. Step 3. Feed the anonymous data to ChatGPT with this specific prompt. Analyze this spending, group it into needs versus wants. Flag any recurring subscription I haven't used in 30 days. In seconds, the leaks are exposed. The subscription you forgot? Caught. The $200 spent on small snacks? Visible. You can finally see the trap. This isn't about cutting coffee. It's about awareness. Companies use AI to make you spend. Now, you're using AI to protect yourself. Once you stop the leaks, you need to refill the bucket. In the next video, I'll show you how students use this same tech to make income. That's the system. Use it wisely.